What are you doing, Rose?
You show that shadow, she's a baddie.
She's gonna get that shadow. Oh, somebody's gonna get that shadow. Oh, Rosie Rose. What are you doing, Rosie? Leia, what do you think about your kid over here?
She wants you to look at Rosie.
What are you doing, Rose? Oh, you gonna get it? She snapped at it. Oh, she's mad at it, Esther. She is mad at it. Yeah. You gotta be tough in front of your shadow, huh? Your shadow, you don't want your shadow to win. You have to win. You gotta be the toughest. Rose. Oh, I see you now. Rose. What are you doing? Where'd you go, Rose? Oh, I see, I see. Oh, you are so tough. Yeah, you are a tough girl. Yeah, you're very tough, Rosie.
Leia's very amused.
Oh, yes, yes. You're a very tough lady. Hey, Rose, all I see is your tail. Dang.
Link, Marcy?
Oh, there we go. That's more than your tail. Hi, Rose. You're back again. Hi, Rose. Oh, no. Where'd you go, Rosie? Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Oh, kind of. Where'd you go, Rose? Rose.
Rosie!
There you are. Hey, don't eat the lamp. Rosie. Rosie.
Rosita! Stop trying to warm your butt on the light.
Oh, Link, are you calming her down now? That's pretty smart. I don't know if you can calm that one down. She is a firecracker. What? See what I mean, Link? See what I mean, Link? She does not play around, man. He's like, I don't care. He was like, get off. He was like, if you can't play right, get off. All right. Oh, she says she's gonna calm you down, Link. She was like, touch me, sir. Preen me. I have spoken. Leia, Marcy, what do you think about your kid, Rose, being crazy? What do you think? She's awesome, huh? All right. Oh, are you a dog today? Are you a dog? What does a dog say? You don't know. You do too.
She's saying it depends on the dog.
What does your dog say? What does Little Bear say? What's Little Bear the dog say? Oh, good girl. Yeah. Little Bear's loud. Oh, Rosie. Rosie's being crazy, guys. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
All right. I'm going to stop recording, Leia. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.